Hey, welcome to my guitar channel. If you're looking to master fundamentals of scales, chords, and a bit of music theory, you're in the right place. This channel is all about helping you build a strong foundation step by step so that you can go out on the internet and learn all those fancy licks that everybody can show you. Incremental improvement starts with consistency. So you want to try to practice a little bit every day. Even 10 minutes can make a huge difference. And don't forget to come back often for new lessons and tips. If you want a more personalized guidance, I offer online lessons for $25 for half an hour. A few lessons can get you pointed in the right direction and boost your progress, especially if you're just starting out learning some chords and some scales and some things of that nature. Just reach out to me through the contact info in the description. Okay, let's get to the next lesson. Practice hard.
1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Next position, start on the second degree of the scale. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Next position, start on the third. 3, 4. 3, 4. Next position, start on the fifth. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. One more time. And the last position, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. There you have it, F Pentatonic.